Women often pick up on subtle cues when meeting a man for the first time. These observations are typically instant, even if subconscious, and they can leave a lasting impression. Here are 11 things women commonly notice about men. 1. Appearance and grooming. The first thing most women notice is a man's overall appearance. This doesn't mean you need to be conventionally handsome, but being well-groomed matters. Clean hair, well-maintained facial hair, if you have any, and clothes that are appropriate for the occasion show that you take care of yourself. Women appreciate a man who puts effort into looking presentable. 2. Smile. A genuine smile can make a powerful first impression. Women often notice a man's smile because it reflects his warmth and approachability. A friendly, open smile signals that you're someone they can feel comfortable around. If you smile often and sincerely, it makes you seem more welcoming and kind. 3. Eyes and eye contact. The way a man uses his eyes speaks volumes. Women notice whether you make eye contact, and they pick up on the emotions conveyed through your eyes. Maintaining good eye contact shows confidence and attentiveness, making a woman feel valued and respected. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact might give off signals of insecurity or disinterest. 4. Posture and body language. A man's body language communicates confidence, energy, and emotional state. Women quickly observe how you carry yourself, whether you stand tall and appear sure of yourself or slouch and seem unsure. Confident, open body language, such as standing straight and relaxed with uncrossed arms, gives off a positive vibe, while closed-off posture may send negative signals. Number 5. Scent. Scent plays a crucial role in attraction. Women often notice and remember a man's scent, whether it's from cologne or natural body odor. A pleasant, clean scent is appealing and can leave a lasting impression, whereas strong or unpleasant odors can be off-putting. Investing in a good cologne and practicing good hygiene can go a long way. 6. Voice and tone. The tone of your voice is another thing that women often pick up on right away. A deep, calm voice tends to be attractive as it signals strength and confidence. Beyond the pitch, how you speak, whether you're respectful, articulate, or show kindness, also matters. Women are quick to notice if a man speaks with arrogance, impatience, or empathy. 7. Style and fashion sense. What a man wears can tell a lot about his personality, tastes, and lifestyle. Women notice your style, not necessarily because of how trendy you are, but because it reflects how much you care about your appearance. Well-fitted clothes, a sense of color coordination, and appropriate outfits for the occasion show that you pay attention to detail. 8. Hands. Though it may seem odd, many women notice a man's hands early on. Clean, well-groomed hands, including nails, reflect personal hygiene and attentiveness to self-care. Women may also observe your hands for signs of strength or gentleness, which can say something about your lifestyle or personality. 9. Confidence. Confidence, or lack of it, is something that radiates from a person and is usually evident from the start. Women can sense confidence in how a man moves, speaks, and interacts with others. Confidence doesn't mean being arrogant or overly bold. It means being comfortable with who you are. Women are often drawn to men who exude quiet confidence because it signals security and self-assuredness. 10. Sense of humor. Humor is an attractive trait, and it often becomes apparent quickly in a conversation. Women notice if a man can make them laugh or if he laughs at himself. A good sense of humor shows that you don't take life too seriously and that you can find joy in the little moments. It's an instant connection point and can break the ice during a first encounter. 11. How you treat others. Women pay attention to how you treat not only them, but also those around you. How you interact with waitstaff, cashiers, or people in your immediate environment speaks volumes about your character. Kindness, respect, and good manners are often noticed right away and can either be appealing or a red flag. Being courteous and considerate goes a long way. Women notice various things about men when they first meet them, and these observations help them form an impression. While physical appearance does play a role, it's more about how you carry yourself, how you treat others, and the energy you project. By being confident, well-groomed, and considerate, you'll likely leave a positive impression that goes beyond surface-level judgments.